What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry. Welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. That is right, guys. In today's video, we're going back talking about ticker symbol TRCH. That's right, Torchlight. And just going to go over some crazy stuff going on. So, guys, hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, please smash the thumbs up. And let's get to the video, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, and we are directly on torchlightenergy.com. We're right on their website, and we're going to talk about this special dividend and the new Series A preferred. So right here in the recent news, June 14th, we're going to go in here and click on this. Boom, this pops up. So right here, it's saying how it's a oil and gas exploration company. Today announced that it declared a special dividend of Series A preferred stock to be issued on a one-for-one basis to common stockholders of the record of the close of the market on June 24th, subject to adjustment for any reverse split of Torchlight's common stock after the record date, but before the dividend is paid. The special dividend is to be issued in connection with the previously announced business combination transaction with Meta Material. Stockholders of record on June 24th will be entitled to receive the dividend, which will consist of one share of Series A preferred stock for one share each common stock owned on that date, subject to adjustment for any reverse split. So this here is saying if you have a stock of Torchlight, ticker symbol TRCH, guys, and record at the close of the market trading on June 24th, and if we go here to our calendar, June 24th is going to be next Thursday. So it looks like you can buy the shares on June 24th. Now, this is coming directly off of their website. So what better place to get this information than right off their website? It says right here, record as the close of the market trading on June 24th. So you could buy on the 24th, keep it to the 25th start, and I guess technically sell it. That way you had record at the trading, but I think you still need to maybe hang on to it. I don't want to give you all wrong information, but I think as long as you purchase it by the 24th, keep it, hang on to it until we figure out what exactly the dividend is going to be and all the extra shares and stuff like that. It's going to be phenomenal news, guys. All right, guys, and I did want to just touch base on how the Torchlight community is growing, and I'm going to show you this here with a little bit of proof in a sense. This is StockTwits. Currently today, there is 42,568 watchers. And you'd be like, what is the big deal? Let me show you what it was yesterday. So I did my video yesterday, guys. If you didn't see it, go check it out. Here it is. I'll put this down in the pinned comments. Go check that out. That video has over 3,000 views from yesterday. I'm super excited. Thank you all for watching. When I did that video yesterday, guys, StockTwits 24 hours ago had 38,716 watchers. So within one day, we gained 3,852 watchers in the StockTwits. So that's phenomenal growth in one day, man. This thing is getting blown up. I love it. This is just super exciting. I'm going to keep covering this, guys. I'm hyped up about it. What do you think it's going to go to? All right, guys, and here is this. You see it floating around here on the StockTwits as well. Torch, with the similarities between Overstock and Torchlight. The heavily shorted company provided a preferred stock dividend which automatically closes a short position. Then the price skyrocketed from $5.50 to $17, which led the short squeeze to $128. Now, here's what I wanted to do. I got it wrong in yesterday's video, but today we got it right, guys. That's right. We are here on Overstock. We got it on Robinhood. So what they're referring to is right here. Back around April or so in March of 2020, this thing announced that special dividend, and a short squeeze happened, and this thing shot up to $121, gave it about a 600% increase. So is that what's going to happen here at Torchlight? It seems like right now, if we look at the Torchlight 1 year, I mean, it looks kind of like this first part here for me is kind of like this first part here for Overstock. Now, we're at this part where it's, are we going to get this? Is this going to be the start this right here, is this going to be the start of our big incline here on the stock price, like right here? We're down here right now on this. Are we going to get up here to where it was on Overstock? So that is going to be phenomenal. It's like, what is going to be if we could just fast forward the future and see what this is going to do. Is it going to do what Overstock did? Man, this is going to be crazy, guys. This is going to be so exciting to see what happens. I'm super excited. This is just phenomenal. As you guys can see, I like pointing this out because it just shows how many people is passionate about Torchlight. Since I've done this video and we just sat here for a couple seconds to talk about it, do you not see how many posts have been going on? Like, I've been doing this for maybe 10 or 15 minutes, editing and doing this. 85 new posts under TRCH, guys. 85 new posts. And there's a lot of people have some great due diligence in here. I'm telling you that right now. A lot of people have some great information. Just a lot of great stuff in here. I love it. All right, guys, and we're here at the last part we're going to cover in today's video. This here is very interesting. This is something that I did see. This was all on Twitter. Now, this was by the Torch and Meta, and the managing director of predictive analytics gave Torch a short squeeze score 100 out of 100. Here's another week of squeezing with our uncomfortable dividend looming. MMATF. And here it is. Ihor. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to try to pronounce that last name. But Torch is also 100 out of 100 short squeeze risk. So there you go. Ihor here, the director of predictive analytics, gave Torch a short squeeze 100 out of 100. Now, I did see that Meet Kevin did cover this a little bit briefly in his video last night. And Ihor is the director of this here. So that is what he does. He is the man that will tell you the short squeeze potential. And he's given Torch 100 out of 100 potential short squeeze. So what do you guys think of that? Here is the actual post. John BT says, Torch, I ain't selling it, if you know what I'm saying. I can read and make my own decision, not following a guy on Twitter or you. So there you go, man. That's good stuff. Trying to make everything to sell on a false stop rate. Don't be fooled. Squeeze them. This is your chance to make them pay. I couldn't agree anymore, buddy. I totally agree. So I did refresh it. We already got 18 more posts as we go there. John, I do appreciate you got the Stanley Universe. So you must be a Genius Brands fans as well. I love Genius Brands just as much as I love Torch here. So guys, that is all the information I do believe I have for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please go down and give it a thumbs up. Smash that baby and destroy it. And guys, check out all the links down below and I'll catch y'all in the next one. And remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go.